In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and see your liked videos on your YouTube app. So I'll first go ahead and launch up the YouTube app, okay? And then all you need to do is come here at the bottom right. You will see your profile icon. I want you to come here and click on this option right here, okay? Click on profile icon. And then what you need to do is scroll down right here and click on liked videos, okay? And you're able to see all the videos you have all liked. For me, it's mostly shorts. Another option to access this, so you can come here and click on view all for your history, and then click on these three dots at the top right. You can click on manage all history right here. You can come here and click on interactions. And the first option right here says video likes and dislikes. You can go ahead and click on that to view your likes and dislikes as well. Really that easy and simple.